Right now, Brent and I are headed over into New York City. We're in the MAINGEAR van, heading over to 368 to Casey Neistat's Creator Lab. Yesterday, Wallace, Ron, Brent, and the NVIDIA GeForce team went over there, took a little tour, talked to Casey, and while they were there, NVIDIA decided that they wanted MAINGEAR's help to help Sam Sheffer be next. So what we're doing right now is we are heading over there and we are hijacking Sam's system while he is out of town on travel. Right now we are walking up to 368. I got my box here so we can throw Sam's system in here and make sure it arrives safely back at MAINGEAR. He has no clue we're coming. It's gonna be great. We just got to 368. We're ready to steal Sam's PC. Might have some security in there, I don't know. So we gotta disguise ourselves a little bit. So I'm gonna throw my hood on. I got some sunglasses here. Where'd they go? There we go. And of course, we gotta hide the MAINGEAR logo. Here we go. All right, guys, we're back here at MAINGEAR HQ. We have the system up on the table. Joe's gonna upgrade it to this brand new RTX 2080 Ti. Here goes nothing. All right, guys, we're here. We have Sam's system finished up. We just upgraded it from the GTX 1080 Ti to the new RTX 2080 Ti. It's looking pretty good here, and I think Sam's gonna be pretty happy with the performance. He can turn RTX on, and it'll be good to go.